皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to go over different ways to say but or however. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's get started. In previous videos, we went over しかし、でも、けど、が. All of these mean but there are different ways to use it. You need to use it in different ways. So, for example, しかし and でも creates two sentences. And then しかし comes as the first word of the second sentence. The same goes for でも. And looking at the formality, しかし is more formal than でも. でも is pretty casual and しかし is more often used in written language. でも more often used in spoken language. Okay? And the けど and が these words will create only one sentence. So there are two parts, but けど and が connects those two parts and still makes one sentence. けど and が comes as the last word of the first part of the sentence. And then が is more formal than けど. けど is pretty casual. And then けど more often used in spoken language. が is more often used in written language. Alright, this is the summary of this video today. But we are going to look at example sentences and compare those words and how they're used. Alright? Alright, so example. I want to say, it's sunny today, but it is cold. How can we say that in Japanese? In 4 different ways. Well, with しかし you can say 晴れだ。しかし寒い. So しかし makes two sentences. 晴れだ and しかし寒い. And でも also creates two sentences. 晴れだ。でも寒い. And でも is more casual. しかし is more formal. And we have けど and が。晴れだけど寒い。And then 晴れだが寒い。So けど and が makes only one sentence but comes as the last word of the first part. 晴れだけど寒い。晴れだが寒い。Okay? But が is more formal than けど. Alright. Next example sentence. It's morning, but I want to sleep a little longer. Right. How can we say that? In 4 different ways. 朝だ。しかし、もう少し寝たい。でも、朝だ。でも、もう少し寝たい。けど、朝だけど、もう少し寝たい。then が、朝だが、もう少し寝たい。Alright, so again, しかし and でも makes two sentences, and then しかし is more formal than でも。Right, and then けど and が makes only one sentence, but comes as the last word of the first part, and then けど is more casual than が。Alright, next example sentence. I want to travel, but I don't have time. Right. How can we say that? With しかし you can say 旅行に行きたい。しかし時間がない。旅行に行きたい。しかし時間がない。Right, so 旅行 that means travel, and 旅行に行く that means go traveling. Okay? And 行きたい it says 行きたい so I want to go traveling or I want to travel. しかし but 時間がない。時間 means time, so 時間がない that means there is no time. I don't have time. Alright. With でも you can say the same thing. 旅行に行きたい。でも時間がない。Next. けど。旅行に行きたいけど、時間がない。Next が、旅行に行きたいが、時間がない。Alright. Next example sentence. I'm full, but I want to eat dessert. Alright. With しかし。お腹いっぱい。しかし、デザートは食べたい。with でも。お腹いっぱい。でも、デザートは食べたい。Right, so お腹いっぱい that means I'm full. デザート that means dessert. And then 食べたい that means I want to eat. Okay? with けど、お腹いっぱいだけど、デザートは食べたい。with が、お腹いっぱいだが、デザートは食べたい。Right, so けど and が comes as the last word of the first part of the sentence. けど is more casual than が。Alright, next example sentence. I don't like oranges, but I like apples. with しかし、みかんは好きじゃない。しかし、りんごは好きだ。でも、みかんは好きじゃない。でも、りんごは好きだ。Again, しかしでも makes two sentences, and then しかし is more formal than でも。with けど、みかんは好きじゃないけど、りんごは好きだ。with が、みかんは好きじゃないが、りんごは好きだ。We went over a lot of example sentences. Let's recap. しかし、でも makes two sentences and comes as the first word of the second sentence. And しかし is more formal and used more in written language. でも is more casual than しかし and more often used in spoken language. Alright, けど and が makes only one sentence and comes as the last word of the first part of the sentence. けど is more casual, が is more formal, けど more often used in spoken language, が is more often used in written language. Alright, so this is the quiz. Let's translate this sentence into Japanese in 4 different ways using しかし、でも、けど、が。It's still cold, but cherry blossoms bloomed. I will leave the example answers in the description. Alright, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。